Imagine a gaming experience so seamless it feels like magic. Meet the official Luna wireless controller, your ultimate companion for cloud gaming. Designed exclusively for Amazon Luna, this sleek, black controller is built to deliver precision, comfort, and versatility across all your devices. Whether you're battling foes on your Windows PC, exploring new worlds on your Fire TV, or diving into adventures on your iPhone, the Luna controller ensures you're always in control. With Cloud Direct technology, enjoy ultra-low latency gameplay by connecting directly to Amazon's custom servers. Prefer Bluetooth or USB? No problem. This controller adapts to your playstyle. Its ergonomic design, responsive buttons, and haptic feedback make every move feel real. Plus, with Alexa integration, launching your favorite games is as easy as saying, "Alexa, play!" Official Luna wireless controller. Color, black. Wi-Fi connectivity. Cloud Direct gameplay on Luna controller supports dual-band 802.1, 1 AB per gram/n, 2.4 and 5 GHz networks. Bluetooth connectivity. Supports Bluetooth Low Energy 5.0 for gameplay on Windows PC, Mac, Fire tablets, Chromebooks, Fire TV, Android device, or select Samsung Smart TV. Windows PC support outside of Luna requires a Windows driver. Download here. USB-C port. For wired gameplay on Windows PC and Mac, using USB-C cable, sold separately. Size, 156.4 x 107.6 dead 58.5 mm weight. 235.5 grams without batteries. 281.5 grams with batteries. Inputs. 12 buttons: Home, Action, Menu, Microphone, X, Y, B, LT, LB, RT, RB1. Direction pad, up, down, left, right. 2. Thumbsticks, left and right, offset. Haptics, vibration motors for tactile feedback during gameplay. Display, LED to display controller connectivity status, low battery indicator, and software updates. Audio, 3.5 mm stereo audio output for headset. Speaker, none. Alexa, press and ask Alexa to launch games and more on Fire TV. Set up your Luna controller with Luna Controller app. Download the Luna Controller app from the Amazon App Store for Android, Google Play Store, or iOS App Store. App lets you connect your controller to Wi-Fi to play games on compatible host devices over Cloud Direct. Compatibility. Works on compatible Windows PC, Mac, Fire TV, Fire tablet, iPhone, iPad, Android phones, and select Samsung Smart TVs via Cloud Direct. Does not work with gaming consoles. Inbox accessories. 2 AA Amazon Basics batteries. Setup guide. Warranty and service. 1-year limited warranty and service. Optional 1-year, 2-year, and 3-year extended warranty available for U.S. customers, sold separately. Use of Amazon Luna controller is subject to these terms. Built for Amazon Luna. Designed for the best experience on Luna, Amazon's cloud gaming service. Works across your devices. Windows, Mac, Fire TV, Fire tablet, iPhone, iPad, Chromebook, and Android devices. Seamless screen switching. When playing on Luna, pause your game on one screen, then pick up right where you left off on another. Connect via Wi-Fi. Connects directly to Amazon's custom game servers using Cloud Direct technology for low-latency gameplay. Connect via Bluetooth. Use Luna controller as game controller on any Bluetooth-compatible device. Connect via USB. Connect directly to your Windows or Mac devices via USB cord. Built for gaming. Offset thumbsticks, easy access bumpers, precise triggers, responsive action buttons, and a 4-way directional pad. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.